Man, I gotta get one of those flashlights.
It's part of the helmet, man.
Part of the helmet. Do you think you got like a regular flashlight I could just have?
I don't know what to tell you.
Well, engineer, do you know how to make a flashlight? Like the ones you get, like the Switch? Like the handheld ones?
Yeah, I suppose I could make one of those, a floodlight.
Alright.
Or you could just
Alright, that should
request
help.
one.
I mean, I know, but we're kind of just in the middle of quarantine right now.
I can't hear. Everyone's talking. I cannot hear. What? Yes, I am. No, there's no more.
I uploaded my screenshot into event screenshots.
Well, I think that pretty much resolves it. They're just gonna get it back to its CC, and it's a happy ending.
We might have to quarantine.
Well, it's a good thing I never left this spot. I'm glad I didn't follow them.
I followed them a bit, but I wasn't in physical contact, thankfully.
Got the hazmat suit on at least.
Yeah. Could you reveal yourself? What's your name? Ah.
Yeah, name's Malo7 here.
Malo7.
Yeah, my father was an interesting sort. I don't know why he chose this name to this day, and I'll never know because he's dead now, but, you know, that's a story for another day.
I lost mine. I lost both my parents at the age of around 5. There we go.
Oh,
really
okay,
mean.
Mr. Sob's story. Gotta make sure yours is better than mine.
Don't sob. Don't have any sympathy from years ago. Couldn't have done nothing.
I like that this one senior researcher has decided that staring at the fucking wall is the best thing he could think of.
Yep. Anyways, I'm gonna go check this out.
Be safe.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God! It's sentient! It's sentient!
I wouldn't go down there.
Yeah, don't go down there. It's going down. It's going down. Barricade the doors. Anything coming through this freaking door is getting blasted.
We're having a little incident.
Hold on 1 second. I'm close.
Keep it closed. Keep it closed.
You're my last line of defense.
Get the frickin'. I'm getting the fortifications up.
Just make it as high as possible. Make it as high as possible.
Oh, dude!
I'm gonna set up a frickin' bipod on my Glock.
Get it! I need to get it.
For the motherland.
Alright, I got the bipod set up. Nothing's getting through this door.
Alright, I think it's over. Jesus Christ.
All as well as ends well, I suppose. Not a single one of them. Okay, one of them has a biohazard suit on. Two of them have a biohazard suit on. Everyone else is sitting in freaking fiery suits. What are you doing?
Well, that was quite the experience.
You know what? I think this is enough. Go ahead and stop the recording.